You ever hear a jingle once and then it haunts you for years? I still can't go to Subway without hearing $5, $5, $5, $5, $5 foot long. It's like marketing PTSD. But you know what that is? It's called a brand trigger. And if you don't have one, you just may be forgettable. So today I'm going to show you how to create one that makes your brand unforgettable. Because let's be honest, the real reason people aren't hiring you, following you, or referring you isn't because you're not good. It's because they forgot you exist. Hey, I'm Brad Holcman, and I've spent 20 years as a television executive producing hits like 60 Days In, Intervention, and creating hits like Triple Digit Flip and Zombie House Flipping. And I learned one truth the hard way. You can be talented, you can be brilliant, but if people don't remember you, it doesn't matter. So let me give you an example. Ever hear of Duck Dynasty? Of course you have. Even if you never watched an episode, you can picture the beards, the camo, the quacking. That show wasn't just watched, it was remembered. It became a cultural reference. But why? Well, it had brand memory triggers baked into every episode. Repetition, iconic visuals, clear characters, and a catchphrase. You didn't just watch it, you felt it. And now I'm seeing it happen in my own personal brand. Do you know that people keep tagging me in pictures of $2 bills? Strangers, people that I don't know, come up to me at events like, hey, you're that $2 bill guy. It's catchy, it's a bit weird, but it's memorable. And that's exactly the point. I didn't become smarter or better looking. Though, let's be honest, the hairline isn't getting any better with age. All I did was introduce a simple visual hook and repeat it consistently. And that's what makes it stick. So, how do you do this for your brand? Easy. You bake in brand memory triggers. And here are 3 ways to start. Step 1, pick a visual or phrase and own it. Mine is the $2 bill. Yours could be a phrase, color, symbol, anything weird and sticky. In fact, the weirder, the better, the more memorable it will be. And step 2, repeat. Then repeat. And then repeat again. You think people remember things the first time? No, they remember it the 12th time. Repetition builds recognition. Recognition builds trust. And step 3, connect to that trigger to a transformation. Don't just say it, live it. My $2 bill means standing out by yourself. Every time I say it, people remember what I stand for. So if your brand feels like it disappears after you post, people forget your name 5 minutes after meeting you, and if you're tired of working hard and still being invisible, it's not that you don't have a story, because I'm sure you do, and I know you do. It's that you haven't made it stick. But I'm telling you, that is going to change today. Because when you download my free checklist, a standout checklist to find out who you are, what makes you different, you're going to become memorable. There are 10 questions to help you clarify your message, create your hook, and build sticky content that your audience remembers. There's a link below, or just DM me and I will send it to you. Tomorrow, we're going to go one step deeper. You've got the hook, you've got the memory, but how do you get people coming back again and again, like it's your favorite Netflix show? That's what I'm teaching tomorrow. And it's the game changer. Repetition, it's not boring. It's branding. And branding isn't about shouting louder. It's about being remembered. You're not forgettable. I'm telling you, you're not. You're just not repeated enough yet. So start today. Say it loud, say it often, and become the $2 bill in your industry.